Welcome to the next unboxing. Let's get started on some fishies. Here we have some long-finned albino bushy-nosed plecos. Juveniles. Long-finned albino bristlenose plecos. Black Emperor Tetra. Red White Lionhead. Nice red white Ranchu. Calico Ryukin goldfish. Smaller size. We also have 4.5 inch. This is about 2 inch, 2.5 inch. Red, white, bubble eyes. Goldfish. There are some calico fantail goldfish. This is a black moor fancy goldfish. Harlequin rasboras. Neon green rasbora. Blue Axelrod rasbora. Koi Sanke swordtail. Kohaku and Tancho swordtails. Assorted swordtails. Neon swordtail. Painted swordtails. And here's the fanciest one of them all. Red velvet cauliflower albino sabertail swordtail male. We also have females. Is a functioning gonopodium. Really nice swordtails. Red spotted gold sabra. Probably the most sought after Severum of all of them. Red spotted gold Severum. Another healthy specimen. Beautiful red spotted gold Severum. Finally restocking on some Bolivian rams. Python Serpe Tetra. It's been a while since we had these. Half-banded spiny eels. Okay, here's a showstopper. This is a discus that's highly sought after by a lot of discus enthusiasts for a very long time. This would be, some would call it a red cover blue halo. It's actually a Heckle Ica. Wait until you guys see this stunner. There's holes, you see the water spraying. I gotta get it out of there. Stunning beauty. You'll have to see that fish in person. Alright, we haven't had these for a while. This would be your dwarf chain loach. Dwarf chain loach. Oh, it's been several months since we've had these in. I'm talking probably at least 6 months since I've even seen these. Madagascar rainbow fish. Madagascar rainbows. More blue diamond shrimp. Oh, super excited about these. This is a new Neocaridina we've never brought in before. Super sought after. Head of the curve. Everybody's after them. They're the newest Neocaridina. These are your orange eye red devil Neocaridinas. It's hard to see on film. I will show you some better footage of their orange eyes. It's a different colored eyes on these shrimp than normal. Try to show you guys later. Alright, it's been a while since I brought this Neo, or it's not a Neo, I mean Caridina in. We don't really carry a lot of Caridinas, but when I do, they're always super rare. So, it's been about 2 years since we brought these in, but these are your green Baboltai. Green Baboltai Caridina shrimp. You have to check them out in person. Come on down and come see them with your own eyes. Alright, here's another super rare Caridina that I brought in about 2 years ago. Sometimes it just takes years to become available if I don't succeed in breeding them, and Can't get them anywhere else. These are not red crystal shrimp, not black crystal shrimp, but purple crystal shrimp. Ooh, that one's buried too. Purple crystal shrimp. I'll try my hardest to breed these so I can make them available because I only have 10. I mean, sorry, 10 that I'm willing to sell. There's going to be some that I'm going to keep. It's been 2 years, you know, like, where else have you seen purple crystal shrimp? Here's another super rare one. This one's neither Neocaridina or Caridina. It's its own category because it's from the Amazon. These shrimp are super rare. I only got 10. These are Amazon. Amazon tiger shrimp. See, they have little pinchers. Shrimp normally don't have arms and pinchers. Amazon tiger shrimp. Come check them out. Super rare oddball. This is a tiger knifefish. They do not get huge. Perfect for your community tank. Tiger knifefish. So here in this background, you'll see a lot of locally bred fish in here. Specifically the bristlenose albino plecos. You can see all the babies in the back on the back glass. They're everywhere. And then there's albino cories on the bottom. These are also locally bred. I guess if I move the cam, I could show that there are probably over 50 babies of bristlenose constantly being born in here. And, the mom is right there to the left of the screen on the rock, and the dad is hiding somewhere. He might even be in the cave. Anyway, so this fish is a new fish. We've never brought in before. Super rare. It's part of the family of like the elephant nose fish and the whale nose, the bottlenose dolphins, basically the freshwater whale. The baby whales. Those are all the Mormid family. This is part of their family, and this is one of the larger species. So you've heard of Peter's elephant nose fish, and we've brought those in before, and those are super rare from Africa. Well, these are right up there with them. And let me show you. These are called worm-jawed marmot. Right now, this is about 6-7 inches. They grow to be a whopping, beautiful, stunning 15 inches in the wild. I've never seen one of these in person. This is my first time. Beautiful fish. It's got this beautiful gold on the black. Oh, this is going to be a cool fish. How about that, guys? Wow. So cool. And here is another one. Wow. Just stunning. Can you imagine this thing at 15 inches? Bigger than my hand. That's gonna be awesome. Last but not least, rarest eel we've ever brought in. This is called a blind Congo eel. Blind Congo eels only get 6 inches. Basically all white eel. The blind Congo eel, super rare. Come check it out. Wow. Appreciate you guys. Always looking forward to seeing you on the next one.